Hello?
Yes, hi, is Leanne there, please?
Who's this?
Diane, I'm a foster carer with a black cat that she's interested in.
Yeah, we're going to speak, Mum. Hi, Mum.
Yes,
Where are you, Mum?
you are.
Okay, we're going to speak, Mum. Is Johnny on? Can you speak to Diane, please?
Yes, okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Named Midnight that you were interested in, possibly?
Yes, I am. But I also had to say that my son is autistic and
Yeah.
he also is ADHD.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't want the kitten to be frightened because he jumps a lot.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, sure.
That's why I'm
She's,
sort of
yeah.
thinking I'd be better off looking at younger ones that just grew up with.
Yeah, and they get a little bit more used to him. Because she is adult size, like she's still a kitten, but she's adult size.
Yeah.
And she is a little bit timid. But she's friendly, but she's a tiny bit timid. So unless you're willing to wait a little bit of time for her to get used to, you know, the new environment and the new people, it might take a little while for her to sort of get used to that. So I'm not sure, possibly a younger one might be better.
Yeah, that's what I'm wondering.
Okay.
Because I know
All right.
he really wants one and he'll be so lovely
Yeah.
to it. But,
Yeah. There's a lot of young ones around at the moment, you know, like very small kittens with many, many rescue groups.
Right.
So you probably won't have trouble finding one. I've seen them, like I'm on quite a few rescue groups around Western Sydney, and there's an influx of kittens at the moment, so
Oh, right.
you'd probably be able to find one. What area are you in, actually?
But I'm in ACT.
We're in ACT, sorry.
Oh, the ACT.
Yeah, we're in Canberra, yes. Canberra ACT, Palmerston ACT, I'm sorry.
Sorry, my son
No,
jumped
that's okay.
fine.
He wants to get involved.
Yes, also, yes.
That's okay, no worries. Yeah, ACT, I don't know of any down there, but I'm sure if you looked in Google, you'd probably find some closer to you, because we're in Sydney.
Yeah.
And it would be a good 3-4 hour drive or something, wouldn't it, for ACT?
Yeah, it takes 2 hours to get there to Canberra, yeah.
Yeah, a long way away.
Yeah, long way, right, yeah.
I'll leave it with you. If you change your mind, get back to Rose.
I will, yeah.
Okay, great. Thank you, Leanne.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye,
Good
Diane.
luck.
Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.